Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video, and here you will learn another amazing automation which will let you create post from your microblogging website like Tumblr automatically directly from your Google Sheets application. So here it will let you create a record of the things that you're posting on a microblogging website and also save your time. Let me show you how this is going to work. So here we have created a spreadsheet with the help of Google Sheets application. In place of this, you can use any other spreadsheet application as well. And here you just have to add the post data in a row. And as you enter the data in a row, that same content is going to be created as a post from your Tumblr account automatically. So you need not to copy the data and manually create post one by one here, and it will let you create a record of the data also that you're posting from Tumblr, right? So to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part is you can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So the first step to set up this automation, guys, is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard here. So to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will give you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. All right. So after setting up your account, log in and reach here, and here just click on this create workflow button to set up your automation. So here you have to give a suitable name to this workflow. So let me give the name here as Google Sheets to Tumblr automation, right? So you can give any suitable name according to you, and after filling the name, you just have to click here on this create button, and you can see our workflow is getting created here. And here you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation work on these two things. So guys, trigger is nothing but an event which is going to trigger or start this workflow. So here you can see it is written when this happens. An action, it is written do this. That means action will perform a action according to the trigger. So as in our use case, the trigger would be adding of a data of post here in a new row in Google Sheets, and the action towards that trigger would be to create a post on Tumblr account automatically. So first of all, you have to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, choose your trigger application as Google Sheets, and in the trigger event, it would be the new or updated spreadsheet row option. Select it, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So with the help of this, we are going to make the connection with my spreadsheet. So you can follow these instructions written here. You can read them carefully, and after that you can make the connection. I can show you how you can do this. So first of all, you have to copy this webhook URL and go to your spreadsheet. So I have created my spreadsheet here. And in the spreadsheet, I am entering the data of post like this. Here I am entering the caption, and here is the image URL. Okay, so here I am actually posting some text and the image from my Tumblr account, right? So here click on extensions, and from this add-ons, go to get add-ons, and from this Google Workspace Marketplace window, you have to search for an add-on which is called Pabbly Connect Webhooks. This is it. Search for it and install this add-on here in your spreadsheet. So it will just take 2 minutes to install this. And here you can see it is written installed. That means I have already installed this, so I need not to install it again. So once you install this add-on here, you need to refresh your spreadsheet. This is an important step. After installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks add-on, refresh the spreadsheet, then click on extensions again, and you will find this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option readily available here. And from here you have to click on initial setup, and this window will open up, and here you will find these two fields, the webhook URL field and the trigger column field. So guys, here you have to enter these two things. So you will get the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect, and you will get the trigger column here. This is our trigger column. So the trigger column is the last data entry column or the final data entry column of your spreadsheet that is going to trigger the flow of data between the spreadsheet and Pabbly Connect, right? So here you have to enter the caption first, and then you have to enter the image URL. And as you enter the image URL here, that is going to trigger our workflow. Okay, that's why it is a trigger column. So I'm clicking on extension, Pabbly Connect webhooks, initial setup. And here let me first paste the webhook URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect like this, and the trigger column is B, right? Now you can see in your workflow, as you have copied this webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission, or you have to bring some test data here from your spreadsheet. And to make this happen, just click here on this send test button in your spreadsheet, and the data of the first row of your spreadsheet will be delivered to the Pabbly Connect like the test data. You can see the test data is sent successfully is written here. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data. And here you can see in this response received section, we got the data here like this. Okay. So we are done making the connection, and now click on submit here and go to extensions again, and from Pabbly Connect webhooks option, click on send on event button also. So when you check this send on event button, what will happen whenever you add a new row here, it will trigger the workflow and the data will be captured automatically, right? Now to post this same data on Tumblr, you need to connect Tumblr in the actions tab. So from this actions tab, choose your action application as Tumblr. Okay, and in the action event, select create photo post option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Tumblr, and that will bring you to the login window of Tumblr if you are not logged in. As I have already logged in here, it will just show me this. So here you have to provide some accesses to Pabbly Connect. So click on allow, and you will see that we are going to be connected here like this, right? And now you have to select the blog in which you want to post. So here I have Pabbly blog, so I'm selecting the blog as Pabbly, and now it is asking for the photo URL, the caption, and all these things. So guys, I am going to use the data that I have fetched here from my spreadsheet to create a post in Tumblr. So I'm going to map this data here in these fields. So to map the photo URL, just click here and you will see this first step in the drop down. And when you click on this Google Sheets option, it will show you all the data that you have received from the spreadsheet. So from here only, I'm going to map the image URL. For the caption, I'm going to map the caption label. And if you have any click-through link, you can enter it. If you want to put a tag here, you can put a tag. If you want to put some customer URL, you can custom URL, you can put it here. And you can select the state of the post as well, the published, queue, draft, private, or unapproved. I want to just publish it directly, so I am selecting published, right? So right now I'm leaving these things blank. These are not compulsory things. If you have all these data, you can map all these things, enter all these things, right? So now you can check your connection with Tumblr by clicking on save and send test request, and you will see a new post will be created here. So I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. And here you can see this is the response we have received. Let's check in Tumblr if we got the new post. I'm refreshing the feed, and you can see we got the new post here created. Life is like the ocean, it goes up and down. Really philosophical. And this is the same post we have mapped here. This is the caption you can see, and this is the image URL. And if you want to see, this is the same URL that got posted here. I can show you from here also. This is the same photo that we have mapped, and the same photo got posted here. And this is the same photo that we had on our spreadsheet. Let me show you that also. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. And we are actually done setting up this automation. Let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger, I connected Google Sheets. By following these instructions, we made the connection, fetch the test data like this. After that, I connected Tumblr in the action step to create a post there, mapped the data like this. And when you map the data like this, what will happen whenever you add a new row in your spreadsheet, this data, these according to these labels you have mapped here, is going to change. And every time a new photo with a new caption will be posted in your Tumblr account, right? So you have to set up this automation only once. After that, it will run automatically. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.